all of them, their blood will be wiped out. See, their blood will use to sanctify the freedom of that region, because that region is not at peace. And you say we are Nigeria. We Nigeria. We are not Nigeria when one side is working free, the other side is not working free. And the other side is the economic heart of Nigeria. See, let us be frank with ourselves. The eastern part of Nigeria, maybe the hub of Nigeria, moving or no moving. Now, when you now lock one of their son, and their son is not just ordinary son, a freedom fighter for that matter. God bless you for that person. You see, I've been saying it for a long time that, see, the time of Nnamdi Kanu incarceration in Nigeria brought it down from Kenya to here. You see, the situation is not pure, and the God is not happy with it. Okay, now, every day sick at home. How long? How many years? How many years? Buhari almost, let's say, 4-6 years. 8 years. Yes, 8 years. Let's say when he brought Kanu, let's say, imagine. Okay, now he now left. Things were hardening. See, the hardship will go through, money swap, this. Okay, now we believe that when this Jagaba came, the lion of Bodilon will release and will listen to the voice of the masses, the voice of many, the voice of the progressive, the voice of the prosperity of children of God. Okay, now see what is happening in the eastern part of Nigeria. You deploy army every day, and you know the truth is in your hand. The truth is in your hand. Why don't you open the gate and let this young man go? Okay, how many judges have came and go? Say, this case, we find no fault in him, just like Jesus Christ of yesterday. When they prayed, they say, I find no fault in this man. They say, crucify him. Because at the end of the day, what happened? You see, there's going to be a boom. A wicked, most mysterious disaster that is coming behind the scene of this young man being locked there for just nothing, illegally. How long? Somebody is fighting for the justice, for the freedom of his people. Okay, what of Sunday Igboho? Is it not likely the same thing? But it's gone, it's released now, it's walking free. But what of Kanu? See, it's a politically motivated, and those that are involved, all of them, their blood will be wiped out. See, their blood will use to sanctify the freedom of that region, because that region is not at peace. And you say we are Nigeria. We Nigeria. We are not Nigeria when one side is working free, the other side is not working free. And the other side is the economic heart of Nigeria. See, let us be frank with ourselves. The eastern part of Nigeria, maybe the hub of Nigeria, moving or no moving. Now, when you now lock one of their son, and their son is not just ordinary son, a freedom fighter for that matter. Somebody that wake up and say, no, enough of Fulani massacre, enough of intimidation, enough of injustice, enough of this and that, enough of those bad language that the government has imposed on them. Now you put it in small place every day. You see, we should tell Tinubu, he should listen to the voice of God and release that young man. Let him go. Let him see. The Kanu should be released today. See, only that jubilation will let free air. See, everywhere fresh air will come. See, the Hausa Fulani, see, they believe that they are the control of everything. Their days are coming to an end. See, Kanu must be released. You see, in a situation whereby every Monday, you see the security situation there is getting out of hand. You know how much federal government is spending every day to make you say, okay, now the right day, the government says you should come outside, come and do anything you want to do. There will be peace. Why did they not come outside? Why did the federal government? Where were the security then? See, the security them are afraid. The police are afraid. The army are afraid. Anytime we send any of the personnel to that external region to go and keep peace, they know what they are going for is wrong. Why don't you release the young man, let peace reign, and let freedom circulate, and let fresh air involve the environment? Please, they should let him read. Otherwise, what this prophet is just saying, it must come to pass. And if it comes to pass, there will be anarchy. And anarchy is going to be worse than this situation we are facing now. So the primary advice is for them to let this young man go. He has done no wrong. He has done no wrong. You see, when you look up, you look down, he's done nothing wrong. Somebody is fighting for his people. How will Fulani herdsmen invade your land and kill your women and rape your children and destroy your farm? And at the end of the day, somebody say, no, enough is enough. You will not put him in incarceration. Is that not wrong? It's wrong. See, let us stop this marginalizing of ourselves. Nnamdi Kanu never done anything wrong. Let the young man come outside and you see that peace in eastern region will let peace reign in all Nigeria. You see, all those things, all this hardship, it will minimize. You see, all those hardship will minimize because they contributed to what is happening now. Because no man, innocent man is suffering for nothing's sake. and you say the country will be at peace, the country will never be at peace and it will never be at rest. See, don't let us what's happened in the Pharaoh land happen in Nigeria. If it happen in Nigeria, Nigeria will be a disastrous area to stay, to live. See, I'm appealing to the present government. Let Nnamdi Kanu go free and let peace reign. No matter the situation, he is a peacemaker. Let us experience peace. See, you can't be going to the eastern part of Nigeria every day. On Monday, you not park in Asaba to the next day. How long are we going to be doing all those things? It's not necessary. See, the reality is that do the right thing. Let the present government, Jagaba is listening. Tinubu, the president, is listening. Please, Kanu, let him go and let peace reign. Let peace reign, because those people hold the economic power of Nigeria. And now when you are now letting their hearts to be gripped, Nigeria will be gripped. Nigeria will be no more. See what is happening in Nigeria now? Everything is scrap rocket high. Nothing comes down. Every day is suffering and smiling. Every day. Why don't they do the things that is right in the eyes of Nigeria? 100% Nnamdi Kanu should be released. They should stop politics. They should stop politics. See, he's not a politician. He's a freedom fighter. Please let him go and let us have peace and let things calm down for us. Because women, children, they are afraid to come outside in that area. See, one of my friends just come back the other day. It's 7 o'clock, everybody will be inside their house, just like that. That is I know more than bondage.
Insecurity.
More than bondage. There's security now. So everybody will just be walking 7 o'clock now, go inside your house and you lock your door. You lock yourself inside to the next day, and on some Monday permanently, no even coming out. Is that government? That is not government. And you say you are a democratically elected government. In what way? After Buhari left, you see continue the injustice of Buhari. Let's free ourselves and let's free particularly Nnamdi Kanu. Let freedom reign. Let peace reign.
Okay, but do you not think that for Nnamdi Kanu, do you not think that the South they're losing a revenue, and Nigeria is losing revenue as regards this seat at home? Do you not think they're losing Nnamdi Kanu at least they start getting more revenue from the South?
They are losing millions of naira every day in that region. Do you know how much? Okay, you see, sit at home. Ordinary day, a government no work. Do you know how much they lost? Now, in the 5 states in a nation, almost 6 states, compulsory on Monday, not going anywhere. That is getting out of hand. Let us stop this injustice and let us be one. You see, the federal government is losing trillions of naira in this situation, and they are looking like they are not losing anything. And those languages affecting you and I. Indirectly or directly, is affecting you and I. That's it at home. It's not only affecting those people there, it's affecting the generality of Nigeria. The economy wise of Nigeria is affected by that shit at home. So why don't they do the right thing and let peace reign and let the demonstration of democracy, let everybody enjoy it nation-wide. You can't do this to an outer man. You can't do this to a Yoruba man. See Yoruba man just freedom. What if Hausa man? All those killers, all those kidnappers, all those bandits. What have they done? Okay, now, you see, one day, gunshot will pass gunshot. That man just said, army versus army, soldier versus soldier, gunshot versus gunshot. So one day, everything will blow up. But before it blow up, there's still a chance of arranging peace, arranging dialogue. There's still a big chance. If they don't want big chance, one day, they will be versus themselves.
Oh, are they scared of if they release Nnamdi Kanu, they might still go back?
You see, if they release Nnamdi Kanu, nothing. Okay, if you have failed, okay, now Nnamdi Kanu have tell you what is want and what he doesn't want. Okay, now you say you want Biafra. Okay, see, let's sit down and solve it out amicably, not just kidnapping somebody somewhere, lock it somewhere, and end of the road. And now there is no peace in the region. You now bring the hardship, sit at home, revenue missing, revenue. You know how much revenue they are locked in there every day. You see, let peace reign. Let them release the young guy. And I believe 100% they release Nnamdi Kanu today. You see, you will see different of atmosphere. You will see the reality of God. Because the gods are angry with the government. It's out of fun where one Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa. Why only one side if you keep on, like say, you want to press it down by fire and by force. And it's not possible. You can't press God down. You can't press God down for the whole economy of Nigeria. So it's a disaster of keeping him there. Let him come outside and let peace reign once and for all. Because what we are losing there, if we should package it, we will not be suffering like this. The hardship will not get out of hand like this. Let us minimize ourselves. Let us be one. Equal right of justice. Divided we fall, united we stand. Let us stand again. We are one before. Let us be one. See, we can settle ourselves. It's a simple arithmetic. Not that you will lock somebody there just for nothing's sake. Operation Nnamdi Kanu, freedom. Now, not tomorrow. Now is the time for him to gain his freedom. And that freedom is what we are looking for. And now is the time of gaining his freedom. We don't want a situation where everywhere will blow. Because it can come to pass. You see, a prophet before a prophet will make such a statement, he has seen things in the spiritual realm. And the spiritual realm cover the physical realm. And when there is anything that is not good in that side, it will not be good here. So let us arrange the language and let this peace reign. Let peace reign. You know, the Kanu must be free now. We don't want more bloodshed. We are not animal, we are human beings. We can't be killing ourselves in the meaning of injustice. So we are tired of the injustice that the government is giving to us. We are tired of it. So let them know. And they know, but they don't want to know, but they must know. And they must know. Because every day is not Christmas. If we don't do Christmas, we don't tire. So let Nnamdi Kanu be free once and for all. And let peace reign. We'll put him. See, number 10 man in Nigeria, after the president, the vice president is the number 10. See the contrast that is made. Okay, we want to turn Nigeria to Islamic nation. Just in seconds. And it's impossible. See what Fulani X-Men has done. See what is happening now. Fulani X-Men say that now there is no food in their land. They are now run away. Now Akpabio went and made the colonial with them, with the Gaba and so-called APC, or Progressive Congress. They came to lose Nigeria. And Akpabio is about 3rd man there. You see, all we say Akpabio is in the book, black book of majority of Nigeria. Because his language, his body movement, it betrayed all of us. Betray all of us, betray me, you betray the generality of Nigeria is angry. Angry against the president, against the vice president, and most especially the one that will believe that it will make things all right at Babylon, the Senate president. We are all angry with them, and their days are coming to an end, and it must end. Because Nigeria youth, if you want to divide Nigeria, you should divide Nigeria. But Nigeria youth, majority of us, Nigeria data website like this, we are different for the northerners. See, God will bless you for that question. See, Nigeria as a whole, Nigeria is divided, but let us be frank to ourselves. Our own side, Nigeria data, we are not Muslim. So no matter what the situation, no matter what Akpabio says, see now Akpabio is now in the corridor of power. So it's like he's not trying to enrich himself. Whether I like it or not, one day he's coming back to Nigeria data. And Nigeria data can never be a Muslim home. We are not Muslim, we are Christian. Akpabio, see, the language of Akpabio now let us to know his character. Know inside his mind, he's an evil man. He ruled 8 years in Akwa Ibom. Say, what does Akpabio done? Nothing. All in the name of enriching himself. Now he's not working with Jagaba. For him to say the truth to the whole Nigeria, it's like siding. Now to the extent, it's now working with the Fulani X-Men. You see, let us be frank. Akpabio is a Fulani man. You see, Akpabio thinking, Akpabio talking, Akpabio on trust. You know that now he's not dancing with the devil. And the devil is an enemy to the happiness and the prosperity of the Niger Delta. Akpabio days are number. It is going to last for them. They can't last for them. Okay, now when they finish it, make him leave for Abuja. He can't leave Abuja. He's coming to Akwa Ibom or he's coming to Lagos, and we are not Fulani herdsmen. They can never turn us to Muslim automatically. It's impossibility. It can't happen. See what Fulani herdsmen have done. See what they have done to Akwa Ibom. Is he not the son of Akwa Ibom? What has he done? Now he's clapping with them. He's dancing with them. He's wearing agbada, wearing ansaka. Now, the same Fulani herdsmen will slaughter him. And if they don't slaughter him, we will slaughter him because he must come back home. Even if he don't come back home, in period there, in business, everything. You see, Akpabio days are number. You never know that Akpabio is a skeleton under the green grass, a snake under the green grass. See what is happening now. See, forgetting Nigeria, say Nigeria is no more than the president. The presidential jet is more than the whole Nigeria. You see, say go let Nigeria be protesting, who will be enjoying. You see, we are recording Akpabio documentary language. We are recording everything. And now is the time for him to quit. Otherwise, who will quit him? See, number 10 man in Nigeria after the president, the vice president is the number 10. See the entourage that is made. Okay, want to turn Nigeria to Islamic nation. Just in seconds. And it's impossible. See what Fulani X-Men has done. See what is happening now. Fulani X-Men say that now there is no food in their land. They are now run away. Now Akpabio went and made the colonial with them, with the Gaba and so-called APC, All Progressive Congress. They came to lose Nigeria. And Akpabio is about 3rd man there. You see, all will say Akpabio is in the book, black book of majority of Nigeria. Because his language, his body movement, it betrayed all of us. Betray all of us, betray me, you betray the generality of Nigeria is angry. Angry against the president, against the vice president, and most especially the one that will believe that will make things all right at Akpabio, the senior president. We are all angry with them, and their days are coming to an end, and it must end. Because Nigeria youth, if you want to divide Nigeria, you should divide Nigeria. But Nigeria youth, majority of us, Nigeria data website like this, we are different for the northerners, and we are going to combine together to chase the heart of that place. But that place is for all of us, not for few, not for Akpabio and co. See what is happening now, fuel, no money, say dollar, how much is a dollar? Akpabio never come and they say, no, let us stop this injustice that Nigeria is facing. Akpabio never come and they say, the hardship is getting out of hand. How are we going to solve it? No, all he keeps saying is promoting the injustice that the government in the day has subjected Nigeria to, because it's part of them. But it days, I keep on saying, it days are number. Because now, he can't live there and come to Akwa Ibom. Because Akwa Ibom light, they are even 95% of Akwa Ibom know that Akpabio is a dangerous devil and he's a wanted man. Because he failed them and he failed Nigeria generally. So their days, in with their papa, Jagaba, and the other one with it. You see, three of them, they are shackling Nigeria. But we are waiting for them. And we'll change it for them. And they know. You see, it's not going to be a fighting of weaponry fighting. We are going to face them. Revolution is coming. Mass revolution, that's anarchy will come. And you will use their blood to clean Nigeria, because Nigeria is stained. And they stay Nigeria because of their millions, trillions, they loot Nigeria money. Don't you know how much Akpabio don't loot for the few days Akpabio do for that place? How much don't loot? Why no go wear Agbada? Why no go like to wear Agbada?
Don't forget I was
like to wear Agbada down. The remaining clothes we're supposed to wear. Now they wear Agbada, wear cap of Hausa. Now it's not Fulani. Why not change the name? Make it change the name. Oh no, whether that's Suleiman or
so is Danny with them? Is Danny with them?
Make it change the name to Abdul Karam. Mokudo say yes, that is Abdul Karam. It's a Boko Haram. It's already Boko Haram. See, the days of Akpabio and co are number, because Nigeria is tired of their system. Their system is wickedness. They never come there to set your life free. They came to bondage us, more bondage, but now we have seen the light, our eye don't open. We will not be Mugu anymore. We are not Mugu anymore. So now we have to chase them out before they will chase us. Let us chase them out before it's too late. Because just 1 year, see what is happening. See what they are saying. They say they want to use by force and make us Muslim. Let them come. We, the Niger Delta, we are waiting for them. 24 hours, we are waiting for them. We are not for them. And they can never swallow us, and they can never eat us all.
Okay, but so many people have said that Akpabio being the Senate president is not for the masses. That since he assumed that position as the Senate president of Nigeria, that he doesn't talk for the masses. Even the last time where the price of fuel was increased, Akpabio said after that time, after this current increase in price of fuel, that if he increases again, that he will come out and talk for the masses. But is it that until the price of fuel, gets to 5,000 per liter? Is that when you come out and start?
Akpabio is a documented man in Aso Rock, try to frustrate us, bringing out unnecessary talk. You see, as a number 3 citizen of a nation, you don't come out for the masses. Let the masses know that you are for them. But now, you are not for us. You see, everything that is going on, Akpabio, they drafting Akpabio table. like the Senate House. See the other day, a city president, a city senator, Senator Udume from North, he came out and said the president is caged in a sort of cage by Akpabio and co. They don't even know whether Nigeria is it or not. Nigeria, the hardship of Nigeria is not even their problem. You understand? See now, Akpabio said when they increase the fuel, he will come out and speak. Okay, how much the fuel now? 1,500, 1,600 until it's 2,000 naira. You see, let us say the truth. Akpabio is an enemy to Nigeria as a whole. Akpabio, see, first time in the history of Nigeria that a senior president will be aligning openly to the wickedness of the sitting government, which is bad. It's bad to all of us, and we are not happy with it. And we, a day is coming, it can be this night, it can be tomorrow. You see, their blood must be shared before Nigeria will come as a reality.
But lastly, but do you think
it's getting out of hand? You can't eat, you can't live, you can't walk, you can't do anything because of mafians are in control. The mafia days are numbers. They were not there yesterday. They used opportunity to claim. At the end of the day, we now see that color. It's a brutality color, bad color, and we erase it in the history of Nigeria. We are going to erase it, all and all. Because the days are getting out of hand. Nigeria will be moving, but time is coming. See, that mass revolution that they have avoided, it must come. It must come to pass. Then Nigeria will know that now, see, this is enemy, and this is our man. And among all of them, there is no man among them that believe that we will live. They are all fighting for their pocket. They are enriching. Okay, where are they taking the money to? Are they going to take the money to heaven? They are not taking the money to heaven. Why don't they do the right thing at the right time? They are just messing up Nigeria. But the days of their messing up is coming to an end, and it must end.
but Olua, do you think whether now or in the future, do you think that Nigeria can will be Islamized, whether now or never?
You see, let us be frank with ourselves. Nigeria totally can never be Islamized. See, the northern agenda has been there to Islamize Nigeria, but now they see the resistance, most especially the Niger Delta region. You see, it's impossible to penetrate there. You can't penetrate there because those are the heartbeat of Nigeria. You understand? So they will never allow it to happen. It can't come to pass. And they know if there is a real war, guerrilla war between we and them, we are going to defeat them. We will defeat them. Forgetting that now because you can see the Jagaba, they say, this is my turn. Emilio Con, at the end of the day, they don't give him power. Now he now came there, he now maltreated the generality of Nigeria, sitting down quietly, like he's not knowing what is happening, but we will know what is happening. It can't possible. You can't Islamize Nigeria. Akpabio just you see, he will chop his food when the time reach. He must chop the food when the time reach. You see what happened in NSAS? The NSAS never believe. The police never believe. When it happened, it like fame. Their hand was locked by who? By the spiritual. Their hand was locked. They pumped everywhere. They were looking. At the end of the day, they were begging. See, now it's coming for them. That revolutionary race is coming for the power, high power in Asurok. Because we cannot be watching them and giving us things that we don't want. They want to swallow. They want us to swallow frog by force. It's not possible. See, Akpabio and his documentary talk is not bad. And he must be executed. They must be executed one day. See what is happening? The Niger Delta and the South, we are not going to be Islamized according to Akpabio. It's not possible. We are Christian right from day one to the end. We are Christian from day one to the end, to the exchange of days. So Akpabio, this is not bad. It's not bad because it's an enemy. And we don't know that now you be our number one enemy. You were hiding under the carpet. Now we know you. You are enemy to the Federal Republic of Nigeria. You are enemy to the citizens of Nigeria because you and co when I did for Asurok, you are not there before now. A person did there before now. When Almighty Abacha was there, what happened? At the end of the day, out of the game. Now they came. Obasanjo, you want to go third time, by all means, at the end of the day, out of the game. Now those people now right down, they now came because Jonathan was a peace-loving man that don't want to shed Nigeria blood. It's okay, let peace reign. Okay, you say when you are taking it, but now see what is happening now. Who know Buhari say when Buhari rule 8 years Buhari in regime, 8 years, fuel never pass 200 now. Now Lion can say now my turn, to chop up Nigeria, Akpabio and him. Their days is coming to an end. And it must end. See, let me tell you one thing, you can believe more than next one. Since Nigeria is angry, and that angry, the spirit of the land is not happy with them. The gods of the land is brutality with them. All their power, because we know that they belong. They are occultic people in the corridor of power. But God will sweep them away. He will sweep them away. And that one is reality. And they must leave. They can't permanent themselves there. They are enjoying with the money, enjoying with the oil, enjoying with it. They don't want us to survive. How will you buy a fuel of a liter for 1,300, 1,500, $1, 1,700? How are you going to mix the ends meet? How are you going to live? And they don't care about us. They don't even really care about anything concerning Nigeria. All is their own pocket. But one day their days will end. And their days will end now, before it's too late.